The AEV Sand Flag or antenna mount for the Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator EX and RX front bumper is a simple yet effective mounting solution for mounting a sand flag or radio antenna to the outboard passenger side of our 7000 series light mount. This is an easy job anyone can do with a few common tools. Here's how to do it. Remove the two M10 through bolts from the passenger side of the stamped bracket. Install the new bracket with the supplied longer bolts, washers, and nuts. This can all be done with just hand tools, but an impact driver was helpful during my installation. Make sure the LED light is secure and that it's even with the driver's side light. Install your flag or antenna, and you're done. For more information, written install instructions, and to purchase your mount, visit aevconversions.com or check out our network of authorized dealers worldwide.